Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Yesterday, remember we did a video theoretically on how to strike and establish an arc. And today, we're going to be demonstrating it practically so you could see it for yourself and then you could practice it at your own convenient time. So remember, yesterday we said there are two methods. It's that we have the scratching method and then we have the tapping method. So we're going to demonstrate them one after the other, and we're also going to demonstrate the challenge you encounter when striking an arc. So we'll start with the scratching method. Here we have a manual meter arc welding machine. We'll have the current set to 105 amps. And I have with me here an E6013 mild steel electrode. So I'm going to be demonstrating what the scratching method looks like. So the electrode is inclined to my electrode holder. So we go again, we watch it. So I'll scratch now. So this is it. Having inflated the arc and running a bead. And so I connect my bead. That's for the scratching. I just need the scratching method. So I'm going to chop this off so you can see what it looks like. So this is what the bead looks like. I'll do it one more time again. I'll scratch again. So you see it. I'll scratch again. So this is the scratching method, initiating an arc. Scratching method for initiating an arc. So this is what the bead looks like. So now we demonstrate the tapping method. The second method is the tapping method. You're supposed to pause before you say that. Just scratch. You scratch this, and you withdraw it, then you turn it back, and then you start welding. So you come here, you scratch, you withdraw, you come back, then you start welding. You scratch, you withdraw, you come back, then you start welding. That's for the scratching method. So now we do the tapping method. So the tapping method, I don't know you bring. That's the tapping method. So we'll do this again, one more time. Then use some electronic or the tap. And that's the tapping method. So these are the two beats. The beat. You can see this here. So you have this beat. So now we'll do it offline. So I'll demonstrate. So with the electrode, you just bring it down, you tap, and then you draw, and then you start welding. You tap, you draw, and then you start welding. So this is one of the common challenge for other states when they try to. You see? So they try to do this. No. What you do is not. You release, then you can put it in. You understand? So once you encounter this, don't do this. No. This is yours. Okay. And practical section. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if someone might find it very interesting. Thank you very much.